Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just gonna do a little quick update on the Capra. I just started adding stuff to this thing, and I was gonna film it, and I was just you know, taking my time messing around with it. So here we go. I have a SpeedTek RC servo in here. It is 1,000 ounces of torque. So very strong, fast. We'll see it when it's up. I actually have it all hooked up, ready to go. I just don't have it plugged in. rchopups, brass in the front. I also put it in the back because the back felt so light. I put it in the back. Plus with the servo in the front, I'm thinking it'll get, I don't know. We'll see. It'll be a little heavier in the front. I did put the skid on the bottom, the flat skid. Full-size servo for the dig. Castle Creations motor, and I'll put the size of it. I think it's a 2280 or something like that. And then we have the Mamba Micro X2, and that was a trip to work with. It doesn't have a BEC inside it. They took it out so they can make it smaller, so they give you a Castle BEC right here. Okay, so that runs all your power. You don't have any power coming out of your ESC, so you got to run the BEC as your power, and that took me a while to figure out, which was kind of cool. So yeah, I got this all hooked up. Everything's in my radio. I got the Fly Sky Noble hooked up to it. I had these rims from before, and these are the J Concepts ruptures. That's what these are. Yeah, so these went together real nice and sticky. I'm just using the stock foams, or what came in the ruptures itself. It's nice and soft. So I'm just using those for now. I would probably upgrade to some other ones. Yeah, so everything's coming out good. I got my battery. I do need to put another connector on this. This fits perfect in here, the 4300. I'm going to take the, what is this, the IC3, I think it is. And change it to the XT60. That's what I use for all my crawler stuff. So this does fit in there. It does fit inside there, but it's just tight. So it's a weird feeling when it goes in there. It doesn't feel like the outside's tight, but the bullets aren't tight. So I did stretch it out. I have this tore apart, so I'm not going to pick it up, but I used the traxxas link ends, the rod ends, and they're I don't know, they're a good half an inch longer. But yeah, so sorry for moving the camera so much, guys. I just have it in my hand. But there you go. There's an update. It's almost ready to go. I'm just tidying up all the wires. I got to mount down the receiver, which is all ready. I just need to stuff it in there and then stuff all the wires in. Plug in a couple lights. I've been trying to get a hold of Horizon, emailed them. I've never emailed them twice. I've never gotten an email back from them with this light not working right. So I've just given up. You know, I'm not going to buy a new one. I'm a little disappointed on that. But the two headlights will still work. But other than that, and I did put an overdrive in the front. RC hop-ups. Front gears here. We're gonna see that. I might put the wild overdrives in the front. We'll see. But yeah, okay. So there you go. There's my little update on the Capra. I will be changing the panels out eventually. I just haven't decided what style or color or whatever, how I'm gonna do that. I'm looking for a special design. But we'll see. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, and y'all have a great day.